Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to discuss where are trades. So we are seeing like $10 in profit already, so it is pretty good. Trades are looking much better. As talking about trading, I want to share some my own trading strategies that I follow in order to gain profits and in order to avoid losses, because losses are inevitable. We have to bear losses, but we have to do it like very less, and we have to win more. So that is the mindset that I go with. So I am happy to share it with you guys. So three basic rules for tradings are: you have to enter the trade and you have to exit the trade. So exiting and entering both are very important in this, and managing risk, because you have to secure your capital, you have to manage your risk. So first is keep it rule based, not emotional. So you do not get emotional and place your bets. You have to focus on some rules that you are going to make for yourself, because rules are important in life. And trend confirmation model, like we have to see the trend and we have to analyze like whether we should enter the trade or not. So here are some insights that I do it on my own. So I use RSI, relative strength index. So I use that as a reference model. Like here I've used it on Ethereum. So like if RSI is above 80 or around 80 or 75, we have to sell. But if it is around 25 or like 30, we have to buy. So a lot of traders will say that you have to use stop losses. तो आपको stop losses use करने चाहिए, but मैं नहीं use करता दोस्तों. I don't use stop losses. Like I think those are for losers, who think their trade can go sideways. But I think like whenever we are about to do our trades, we are always going to make profits, because we are going to sell high, and that's all I care about. I only care about buying and selling higher. So another thing I want to talk about is when not to trade. That is the most important part. Not trading is more important than trading, guys. Like you have to wait for your level to reach there, and you have to some people get impatient. So you don't have to be impatient. You have to make sure that you are following your rules and you are not getting emotional. Like impatient is emotional, bore is emotional, not doing anything and just thinking about life is emotional. What is not emotional is executing and trade in order to do something and then I will get a profit. No, you will get a profit when you are not trading as well, because if you are trading and you are experience losses, then you can't go back from that. Then you have to wait for your trade to become a profitable trade, and that could take some time, guys. Like I'm not even kidding, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It could take some time. So you have to avoid trading. It could take like around 6 years, guys. So avoid trading when there is no clear trend. If market is going sideways, do not trade. Just wait for it to go either up or down. And you do not trade before major news, because you never know how the market is gonna react, whether it's gonna go up or down. So before major news, you do not trade. After big move, so if you have already seen a big move, like when Elon Musk put Bitcoin in its Twitter, a lot of people were like the market is gonna go up, and it went up as well. But when people start buying it, Like a lot of people, when they started trading, the market stopped and it went down. So after a big move, you do not chase the profits, you just wait for your chance. That is very important. You have to wait. So you do not trade when you are emotional, you are angry, you are greedy, or you are bored. That is the most important part. And you do not want to hit your over trading limit. So you do not want to, put all your eggs in one basket. Like we have 3 trades and we just want to make sure we are getting profit in every trade. So those are some rules that I follow. I want you to follow as well, and keep following, guys. Like, do support here, and if you want to talk with me, do follow my Telegram channel there. I constantly looking for people who wants to trade with me, and I can help them to build their financial portfolio. Talking about news, I want to just reflect basic amount of news with you guys. One of it is like US national debt reaches all-time high of $39 trillion. So it is a pretty bad news right now. What else? I think that is pretty much all I want to share with you guys. Right. Pi, if I talk about Pi has already upgraded to version 20. That means all the smart contracts, all the NFTs are gonna be launching pretty soon. So just keep an eye on that. You don't want to miss out the future. Smart contracts are prioritized, external security audits are going on, community review, testnet testing, mainnet deployment, that's the last part. A careful process designed to ensure security, transparency, reliability for the ecosystem. So we are expecting some good news in the coming future. And I will hope that you guys are also making some good trades.